Hello, good evening, especially to our lecturer, Madam Quincy Doni. We are from Group I Kuching. Would like to do our group meeting, and since we are choosing the scenario number 2, the bean scene, refreshing and outdated coffee brand. So we would like to introduce ourselves. First of all, my name is Muhammad Izahar bin Laili Elais Ramli, and my matric number is 289364, and my role as a chairman. Okay, Mr. Tamizi.
Okay. Good evening, Madam Quincy. I'm Tarmizi Tarib. My metric number 290063, and I play a role as a secretary. Next.
Okay, thank you. Good evening, Madam Quincy. So my name is Siti Sarah binti Hussein. My metric number 289408, and my role is as marketing. So the next member, please.
Good evening. My name is Puan Sekiao. My normal matrix is 290047. My role is the customer insights. The next.
Tak dengar lah suara Cik Matthew.
Sepatutnya Cik Matthew tadi lepas Sarah.
Suara dia tak dengar.
Good evening, madam.
Okay.
My name is Matthew Muang. My metric number is 289071. My role is
Okay.
Good evening, madam. Hello. Yeah. Good evening, madam. Hello.
Okay, teruskan.
Good evening. Ada. Good evening, madam. My name is Matthew Muang. I'm a Trigani. My metric number is 289071. My role in this discussion is question.
Good evening, Madam Quincy. My name is Muhammad Fizuddin bin Muhammad Yusof. My metric number 289098. My roles as a creative team.
Okay. Okay, we will start our formal meeting. Can you guys hear me clearly?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Very
thank
hear
you.
you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining our meeting today. So today we would like to discuss about our coffee shops, especially about our dropping sales. Okay, so as you guys know that we are facing a declining sales, and we are dropping our market lah in the market industry, in the coffee industry. So in the end of the meeting, we would like to create a new strategy to go through our coffee shops, and we are focusing on 3 parts. The first one is the identifying the root cause. The second one is analyzing the impact, and the third one is proposing the practical solution. So if there any objection, do you guys agree with me?
Okay.
Yes.
Agree,
with
Cik
you,
Azahar.
Chairman.
Okay, thank you. So before we begin, I would like to remind you guys that we have to speak one person at one time, because we would like to make the communication clear. Okay.
Alright.
Okay, we begin. So we start as the identify the which root cause?
Root cause.
Okay, the first one is because the coffee shop is, we are facing the main solution. The main cause is about outdated. So from Puan Madam Sarah department, as a marketing department, what is your point of view?
Okay, thank you, Chairman, and a very good day to all members. Okay, from the marketing view, the main problem that we can detect is that the brand has not kept up with the time. So, as you can, there's a chairman said earlier, we are old-fashioned and outdated. So when we compare the bean scene with the newer cafes, the visual are look so plain and old-fashioned. So that's the main issue lah. The old-fashioned and outdated. So the logo, we can see about the colors and the social media posts. So they do not match any today's modern cafe style. So about the young customers, they nowadays care a lot about the good design. So the bean scene does not offer that. So I think we can proceed and we can discuss more about this one lah. So thank you. That is only the marketing views.
Oh, okay. That's a very valid point from your marketing department. How about from Madam Kwan? What is your
Okay, thank you.
point of view?
Okay, thank you, Chairman, for Encik Zahar. Based of the customer insights, all customer is nostalgia, but the younger customer is very boring, but then say their brand is not personality. And then basic then or boring, we suggest to emotion to the connection with brand. So the younger customer, they suggest the younger customer not longer feel the brand to be unique. And intentionally, customer believe the bean scene had no keep out. We improve trend and expect fans to update themselves on the global stick. That's all for the customer insights lah for me.
Okay, I see. So how about Mr. Matthew from your operation department? Could you summarize? Tak dengar lah, Cik Matthew.
Mr. Matthew, we can hear your voice.
We cannot hear your voice, Mr. Matthew.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I would like to highlight some issue.
Okay, proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Dengar tak?
Okay,
Hello,
proceed.
kawan-kawan.
Proceed. Okay, proceed.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
Okay, proceed.
Hello
Go ahead.
everyone.
Idea.
Aduh.
Dia tak dengar
Dia
kot.
tak dengar tu. Dia delay tu.
Okay,
Okay, proceed.
thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. In here, I would like to highlight some issue about operation units. So the first I want to highlight is inconsistent service quality across the outlet. Yeah.
Okay.
So I would like to highlight about the inconsistent about service quality across the outlet. So I have seen about this. We have noticed inconsistent customer service standard between our outlet and also our branch maintain our traditional canary service. So when others deliver a rush of disengaged customer experience, it affected by we can lose our brand loyalty, especially from the older customer who value our friendliness. It also reduce trust as a customer. We do not know what level of service to be expected. Also, I want to highlight here is inefficient beverage preparation process. So, issue is about our beverage preparation workflow is inefficient, leading to slow serving during peak hour. If was repeated, our customer will be waiting long time. Frustrated customer, some customer will leave after ordering. Operational bottleneck also reduce our sale per hour. Why this operation is very important? Because we should manage our workflow design, staff deployment, and equipment optimizations. So that are some issue that I would like to highlight here. Okay, thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Matthew. How about you, Mr. Hafizuddin from your creative department?
Hello,
Yeah.
guys. Thank you.
Okay, thank you,
So,
Mr.
how about other panel here?
Me.
Tamizi, Chairman. So that's
Okay.
all about that I would highlight it here.
Okay. Yes, exactly. I'm agree with you. So, what did you say just now? I agree. I'm satisfied. So for me, I'm as a role creative team. I think that we must have interior design plays a role. The current layouts feel outdated. Like the thing we know that old school. With dual lighting and traditional furniture that do not encourage customer to stay longer or take photos. As my opinion, we need something new, like uh, like Instagram or TikTok or whatever. What we call news update, latest thing. In that case, everyone out there know things that in that has many new things. The people nowadays already thinks always want a new thing, a latest thing, that what we call times comes on and goes on comes around, something like that. So
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
So thank you, Chairman. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Hafizuddin. We would like to take note from your creative department. So, thank you, you guys, for those insights.
Yeah.
And we have to analyze the impact on the company. So, our secretary, Mr. Tamizi, could you
Okay.
summarize all those issues have affected our company?
Okay, I think first of all we have I've noted all the idea of the management idea, and I think we should rebranding our menu because our new generation is a generation Y, and they want the something new, yeah.
Yeah.
And for all of that, I think we should Uh, I just want to confirm all of you, especially the chairman. Can I
Mhm.
confirm that our conversation is to rebranding our new menu or to enhancement the menu as our top priorities, Mr. Chairman?
Mhm. Yeah, I'm agree with that.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you,
thank you.
Chairman.
Thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Tamizi. That
Thank
is from our secretary point of view. So does anyone want to add,
Uh,
Madam Siti?
Okay, yes,
Do,
yes.
do you have
Yes, I
anything?
did.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. I'd like to add some negative perception
Uh-huh.
about social media, that this negative perception on social media that makes the situation even worse. So when people start calling our brand is outdated, so it spreads very quick, you know. So it will affect how others see it about our brand. So the potential customers may keep going to our cafe, the Bin Sin Cafe, sorry. So so they think that our Bin Sin has nothing to offer, no exciting new what you call when you example lah, you can see about Zeus Coffee. See the Zeus
Uh-huh.
Coffee, that the young customer like to hang out there. Even they are a simple cafe, just the color is just blue and white, but young customers like to hang out there. So our media
Yeah.
social,
Yeah.
we can put something interesting in our social media. So especially when young audience, they are very rely heavily on social media nowadays. So our reviews, comments, and visuals uh, before these young customers want to see the new cafe, so they see about the good review. So we have to, I think we have to proceed about this social media, right? That's all. Thank you.
Okay.
I think, Chairman,
Uh-huh.
I think I'm agree with Siti Sarah.
Yeah.
I'm agree for our long-term rebranding
Mm.
our brand.
Social media is very important nowadays.
Social
Yeah,
media is
okay.
very important.
Yeah.
I know that there is a very solid point. Thank you for pointing it out. So we will take note this one, Mr. Secretary. Could you
Yeah,
write
yeah, yeah.
it down? Okay.
I'm noted
All
all
right.
the idea, and I
Mhm.
will make a note for you, Chairman.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we move forward to the discussion about the possible solution to our coffee cafe. So let's move on into possible strategies. So how could we first action that we have to approach to the solution, Mr. Hafizuddin? Do you have any
Yeah.
discussion? Okay.
Yeah. I think maybe I should think uh, out of box. We always say that that any or whatever successful, we must do uh, what we call yeah, something like never people never do.
Uh-huh.
We do that. Yes, one key solution would be rebranding exercise. So could involve updating the logo or refreshing the color, scheme, redesigning the packaging to look more contemporary or like new things and more minimalized and something modern design. It will be help reposition the brand as fresh and youthful. Other side, I think we can do many what we uh, call to deliver our new customer or something new brand. So it will be help to them to know our brand, new brand. Yes, something like that lah. Yes, over to Mr. Chairman.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Hafizuddin from your creative department. So, Madam Sarah, do you have anything from your marketing?
Okay, all right. Just Mr. Tamizi already said about two ideas, new ideas that about rebranding and menu innovation, I think. So
Mhm.
I think I just want to add about rebranding. About rebranding, we can update our logo, our store design, and packaging to reflect a modern, vibrant identity of the bean scene. So the menu innovation, we can introduce cold brews,
Mhm.
seasonal flavors, and a very healthier options, coffee, to
Like
attract
no calories lah.
younger
Aha.
customers.
Okay.
So the others idea is I have three ideas. So but this one is a very basically plan lah. So the third is digital marketing push. So we can launch creative campaigns on Instagram and TikTok,
Mhm.
the two very popular apps. So we can highlight we can highlight our lifestyle active in on Instagram and TikTok. So the fourth, we can have customer loyalty program. So we can develop a mobile apps with rewards. Like Zeus Coffee, they give a member card
Membership.
just using our phone. The membership just using
Yeah.
our phone. Is it? So we can see our point there. And
Okay.
then the last one is community engagement. So
Mhm.
in community engagement, I think we can partner with local influencers. We can host coffee workshops to attract more young customers. So, and then we can sponsor youth events to rebuild charm and trust on our brand, the Bean Scene Coffee lah. So that's the idea of my opinion, and we can use it if you all accepted it. Right.
Okay,
Thank you.
I will take note on that. Thank you for pointing it out. Okay, I would like to remind you guys, since our meeting have been 20 minutes, 22 minutes, so we have another 9 minutes left to discuss because the Webex will close automatically. Okay, continue. From our operation department, Mr. Matthew, do you have any? Can you cut it short? We cannot hear you, Mr. Matthew. Tak dengar lah Mr. Matthew ni. Macam mana lah?
No voice, no voice,
No voice.
no voice. Say louder.
Rasa dia punya line problem ni.
Uh,
Okay. Continue, Mr. Matthew.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mm-hmm.
As a part, thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Alright.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Hello,
Good.
everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone.
Okay, we can hear you.
Yeah, maybe. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. As a part, my role is here is as operation. So my operation view is our menu innovation is really crucial. So
Mhm.
I would like we need to introduce new signature drink that appeal to current trends, such as flavorful brew, plant-based milk options, or limited editions, seasonal flavor. I think it will create more anticipations and encourage young people to revisit. So
Okay.
that's my opinion. So I hope chairman can highlight on this
Okay.
point.
Thank
So
you.
we can raise up
There's a
our business to grow. So that's all from me, chairman.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Matthew. That is a very good point. Okay, Madam Kwan, do you have anything to add on to this
Yes, I
discussion?
agree for
Okay.
the marketing, creative team and the operation team. The customer is very excited and very interesting about the offer, including the member only
Madam Kwan,
drink of
you do
hello
you have anything to say?
Okay.
hello.
Okay, continue, Madam Kwan.
Yes, I also agree about the of marketing, creative team and operation customer very interesting about the digital for the member price to the customer. They get the example, they get the one drink, buy the one drink and the free one drink. They say also get the present for the birthday. That's all for me lah.
Okay, thank you, Madam Kwang. So we have several ideas that you guys point out just now, but we on that ideas we have some issues on our budget and our resource. Since that we have to choose one of them to make our first step. So do you guys agree that if we choose to rebranding our menu and innovation as our first step on action?
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
agree.
Chairman.
Yes.
We agree
Chairman.
about that.
We agree about it.
Yeah.
On marketing side, so I agree rebranding will create a very strong and first impressions. So yes, I agree.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you, Madam
Agree.
Sarah. How about you, Mr. Matthew? Do you have any? Mr. Matthew tak dengar lah. Maybe we can continue to Madam Kwan because Mr. Matthew have a line problem.
Yes, Chairman. I also agree about the menu for the suggestion.
Suggestions.
Okay, thank you. Since everyone is comfortable, our
So
first.
far so good lah.
Okay, thank you. Since everyone agree with my.
Everyone is agree. Yes.
So
Yeah,
let me summarize
we agree.
the final decision lah. And we
Yes.
propose that the bean scenes should, the first one is implement the comprehensive rebranding strategy,
Yeah.
as you guys state just now, and the second one is introduce the innovative as rebranding the menu, such Madam Siti Sarah told us just now. We can do like new brand as a youngster like, such as matcha coffee, right? That one is very trending just now.
Yeah. Right.
So we change the color lah.
We change the color. Okay, the third one is about social media. We could invite any influencers to promote our coffee shops and make it trending.
Yeah.
And the fourth one, the last one is about the digital program, the membership program, right? The customer can collect the points and redeem. So we have a loyalty customer.
Yeah.
So do you guys agree with that? That is our fourth step.
We agree.
You, Chairman.
Okay, thank you everyone. Since you guys all agree, so we can cut off this meeting. Thank you for your time and your participation for our discussion today. So if there is no any further business, I would like to ending this meeting. So have a very good evening. Thank you for your participated in this meeting.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Madam,
Okay.
for giving us.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Secretary. Thank you for take note all the issues. Okay.
I will take note all of the idea and I will submit to you as soon as possible, Chairman.
Okay, thank you. Okay, have a great evening and have a great weekend. Thank you, guys.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Bye.